Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App. So in order to buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App, you need to follow these steps. First thing, open the Cash App application and go to the investing tab on your Cash App's home screen. So when you go to the investing tab, that is this home icon, then you just need to go ahead and select Bitcoin. So when you select the Bitcoin from the cryptos list, you could go ahead and select either buy or sell. Now the procedure will remain the same, only slight differences between buy and sell. You just have to manually select what you actually want to do, either buy or sell. Then you need to tap the drop down menu and choose custom purchase order or custom sell order. And when you do it, so you could drag the slider to the price to which you would like to buy or sell Bitcoin and press the set button. Once done, you could go ahead and review all the details, and then you'll be notified that within no time that you've successfully bought or sell Bitcoin on Cash App. So that is basically how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.